Play Store app install history. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can see the installed history of your Play Store. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to see the installed history of your Play Store app, open up your Google Play Store and then just make sure that you're signed into your Google account. Then you can tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then just go to this option here that says Manage Apps and Devices. Under Manage Apps and Devices, what you can do is you can simply head over to the Manage tab that you can find here, and you will see all of the installed application over here. So these are the applications that are currently installed on your device. If you want to find out the history, that may be the apps that you previously installed but then you deleted it again, then you can see this installed button here. Just tap on it, then tap on this option that says not installed, and as you do that, you will see the apps that you previously installed on your device or on your Google account, and now these apps are not installed on your device. So this way you can see the install history of apps. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.